Hello friends, this is Aditya Upadhyay. Please like, subscribe in my channel Anjali Garg. Today I'm going to show you some of the important 50th anniversary decoration ideas, DIY, that is do it yourself, especially for lockdown. Let's have a look. For the first outfit, you can say this is for gate decoration. Okay, this is our room gate decoration. Okay, now for this decoration you must have a old sari. Okay, so this region you can say this is the fall. Okay, the down region from जहाँ पर प्लेज बनाया जाता है कह सकते हैं. Okay, and this region वाला is the pallu one. So the fall region we can cut it and we can hang it by taping up the wool. If you don't have wool, you can use double-sided tape also, as we have used here. Okay, double-sided tape, you must have a group of pom-pom. You can hanging it in the mid, and after that you can stick some flower garlands here. One here with the help of double-sided tape, and one this side with the double-sided tape. Okay, so the ingredients needed for this decoration are some pom-pom, some garlands, one old sari, and as well the most important thing, double-sided tape. Next decoration is the corner decoration. Now this suppose this couple is having their 50th anniversary, and what we can do, we can have a corner, we can have stool, one old dupatta for covering the poles of the for covering this poles of the stool. We can use a old dupatta, some showpiece, some romantic showpieces, okay, like this and all. Okay, you must have a bouquet in your house and a lamp. You can use a steady lamp. For that, what you have to do, you just can place a picture. A picture should be something like that with having this backrest. Okay, and especially if the wire is too short, you must have an electric connection nearby. Okay, now here we are using it. Now this is a wall decoration. For wall decoration, as I told you, you must have two colors garlands, and one paper, one ribbon, any color ribbon. If this thing is this jhalar, if you don't have, no problem, it will look nice. You can have, if you want that, instead of that thermocol card, you can put a portrait also. And okay, you can have a border and write whatever you want, and you can just punch these two holes, one here and one here. You can punch them and put ribbon from one side from here, and inlet should be here. Okay, and the stickness, all that we have sticked all these things from the using of double-sided tape. Okay, if you have a center table in your house, you can put some show pieces over here also, like we have a hard showpiece. Okay, this types of all the showpiece bouquets are very necessary for the 50th anniversary decoration. You can, instead of these clips, you can put some paperweights also, and on a A4 size paper you can write some messages, not only hashtag 50 years of love, but you can write many shairi in Hindi as well, many other things, whatever you like. Now this decoration is the most wonderful part. If you, instead of this showcase, for this type of decoration, you can also use plain wall. Okay, now for this type of decoration, what you all need is these type of pom-pom, okay, which are used in dancing also. Some garlands. Even for more than two, you can use more than 2 or 4. Suppose if you have only 2, then we can put it like this. Okay, and if you have one more, then we can put it from again from here, we can stick it, and we will have some more bend, and we can put it here. Okay, and these pom-poms, 2 garlands. And for making this 50, what you need to have is this thermocol paper and thermocol sheet, and you can cut this with the help of a knife, simple knife. Okay, and for these you must have some colored chart papers, or for good looking you can use these type of sparkle sheets, colorful sparkle sheets, and you can stick it with the help of a normal glue. Okay, so thank you guys. In this video we are going to have all these things, and for watching more amazing videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel Anjali Garg. Thank you.